Man, these are great. Man, these are so good. So I got a request to make some more sweet treats that are of course high protein, that'll help knock out a sweet tooth and still keep you on your goals, keep you on track. You don't have to feel bad for eating them. Man, you know I got you. So I'm gonna show you one of my favorites that I make to really keep me on track. It is so simple to make, only takes 2, maybe 3 ingredients if you wanna kick it up a notch, but that's on you. That's your own personal preference. If it fits into your diet, add in the 3rd ingredient. If not, just don't put it in there and just roll with these. Now this is a frozen treat that I make that really helps me get through the day, especially if I'm trying to fight against a sweet tooth. I'm trying to stay on track and I want to get my protein. It is so simple. Let me show you the ingredients I use. And definitely try this one out. Let me know what you think on this one. If you've tried it, if there's something else I can add to it, or just whatever you have, whatever suggestions you have. I'm getting some great suggestions from everybody. I really appreciate that. I'm always trying to make healthier meals, quicker meals, and hopefully this right here you can add into your routine. Just keep it. The good thing about it, you keep that joker in the freezer, and then whenever you need something to knock out your sweet tooth, grab one of these, and that's it, you got it. Check out these ingredients. All right guys, now what we're working with here, this is something so simple, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some Cage whey protein isolate. Now this is the vanilla flavor. You don't have to go with Caged if you want. I've been using Cage for years. It's some of the best tasting protein I've ever had, okay? But man, it is so good. The vanilla flavor, it's really good, okay? So if you're looking for a protein to try out, this one mixes great, all right? So it's only 110 calories with 25 grams of protein in 1 scoop. Vanilla flavor, tastes amazing. I've been using it for a long time. Next up, I'm gonna use the Okios, I guess that's how you say it, Pro. This is the protein packed yogurt, all right? 1 serving gets you 25 grams of protein. Come on now, you cannot beat that. 25 grams of protein. This is the plain one, okay? They have different flavors. I'm just rolling with the plain. 3/4 cup is coming in at 25 grams of protein. 25 plus 25 equals 50, all right? And so there you go. You got 50 grams of protein right there. Man, let's go ahead and make this. Come on now. All right, let me show you how easy this is. What I'm gonna do is, of course, I'm gonna measure it out. I have my scale right here, all right? It's already set. Let me set it to 0. Set on 0, I'm measuring out the grams. So I'm gonna measure 3/4 cup, okay? So that's 170 grams. So we're just gonna lay that on there. You know, get it close. Uh-oh, I went over 174. Uh-oh, it's all right. It's all good. A little extra protein. Now I'm gonna go with 1, whoops, I just hit the bowl. 1 scoop of this right here, okay? 110 calories, 25 grams of protein, 2 carbs, no fat, super low. Come on now, it's so good. I'm telling you guys, this one is so simple. Just throw your scoop on there like that. Stir it up. All right, you know how to stir. You want it to get a little bit thick, okay? So it's gonna get a thick consistency. You don't need to add any water, any milk or anything like that. Just kind of like almost like an icing, okay? You can also use this as an icing. It's a vanilla whey protein icing. Goes great on rice cakes, okay? That's another little trick there. If you wanna add this to rice cakes, really good. I like to add this to low carb tortillas as well. Now, if you want more of a cream cheese icing, what you can do is add like a tablespoon of cream cheese in here and you'll have a high protein cream cheese icing. All right, so that's another one that you can do. What you have to do, you gotta make sure you do this, okay? I'm just gonna put it on this cutting board right here because it's gonna go in the freezer, but you have to make sure you use some parchment paper, all right? I cannot recommend this anymore. I've done it without parchment paper. Let me tell you something, trying to peel that joker off here with no parchment paper, it's a no-go, okay? Make sure you get some parchment paper, and all you're gonna do, making like cookies, all right? Look at that, just making some cookies. So, you know, it's basically like you're just making icing right here, right? Icing cookies, high protein cookies. Now, come on. Of course, whatever doesn't fit on this, you can go ahead and just eat it up like you would do if you were baking something. And whatever you always like to do ever since being a kid, what do you want to do? Mom, can I lick the bowl? You got it. Look, there's not much left. I'm just gonna go, we're just gonna make it easy and just make 4, okay? This is what we have right here, right? Just to show you, watch out, because it's not frozen yet, so these jokers right here. Okay, now this is totally optional. You don't have to add this in if you don't want to. If it doesn't fit your nutrition, don't add it in. If you have something else you want to add in, add it. Like one good thing you could do is you can add some frozen fruit on top of it. I don't have any more frozen fruit. I'm all out because I ate it all. But this is another option you can do just to kind of treat yourself a little bit, and it really helps out the sweet tooth, but you got to measure it out. It's these 0 sugar chocolate chips. You see them? 0 sugar chocolate chips, all right? Now you have to measure out 1 tablespoon, all right? Let me show you what 1 tablespoon looks like. That's 1 tablespoon. Can y'all see that? That's 1 tablespoon. I mean, it is not much at all, okay? You have to measure it out. This is 15 grams or 1 tablespoon. How do you know? You put it on that scale. Get your scale, I'm trying to tell you. Don't go dumping this whole bag on there. It's gonna throw you off big time, all right? So just, if you want a little more, if you like chocolate, you want a little more sweetness on there, go ahead and add you 1 serving, which is 1 tablespoon, 15 grams on here, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that because it's all good in the hood over here. Go ahead and add me a few of them on here. Frozen chocolate chip cookies now. All right, now, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw these in the freezer for about an hour. We're gonna check them out in about an hour. Let's go. All right, so I just pulled these jokers out of the freezer. Man, I'm excited. Check this out. Look at these guys. All right, so what you have here is a high protein cookie, I guess you could say, all right? So remember, all I used was the yogurt and the protein. I actually added the chocolate chips on top, which are totally optional. You don't have to do that. You can add fruit, or you can just have them by themselves because they taste great. Now, this is a great way to kill a sweet tooth. Whenever your sweet tooth comes, keep them in the freezer, and then basically they just come out like this. Look at that. Check that out. Isn't that cool? So look, so these, man, these are great. Man, they're so good. You gotta check these out. You gotta use this parchment paper, okay? Don't try to just put these in the freezer on a plate or something. They're gonna stick to that joker. It's gonna be tough to get off. It comes off easily off this parchment paper, okay? So you have to use the parchment paper if you have some, all right? So, but yeah, basically stick it in the freezer for a little over an hour. Come back, check them, and man, you're good to go. What you can do, you can just break them up. So like whenever you're getting a sweet tooth, you're like, man, I'm getting a sweet tooth and I need something to get me by. Boom, you got high protein frozen cookies, all right? These are chocolate chip cookies. I put the chocolate chips on there. Totally optional, you don't have to do it. Let me know what you think on these. If you're gonna try them, man, check them out. Look, boy, let me tell you something. This is gonna be so good, man. I'm gonna eat, try not to eat them all at one time. But if you do, it's 50 grams of protein, all right? But maybe try one mid-morning, one afternoon, one after dinner, all right? It's not gonna set you back, okay? Because it's all it is just protein and a little bit of sugar on them. Unless you put the chocolate chips, just add a little bit more, but make sure you weigh it out, okay? So let me know what you think on these, and boy, you gotta try these out. Let's go.